Ichnos is a biotechnology company built on our own proprietary technology, which is an antibody engineering platform to build multi-specific antibodies. Our ambition is to develop new therapies for patients that do not have today alternatives and that have life-threatening conditions. We chose the western part of Switzerland for different reasons. First, the quality of the infrastructures, so whether this is the city itself, communication routes, but it's also because we wanted to be in the center of Europe. So it was key for us since we have global operations. We have headquarters in the United States. Our parent company is in India. So basically being in the center of the European continent allows us to have these time zone span that is, from an operation perspective, extremely useful. We also have the biotech network in Switzerland, whether this is near the lake of Geneva or near to Neuchâtel, where we have the Health Valley, and we can tap in this network of startup companies, of universities, of biotech industries. There is there a pool of talent that is rich and diverse, and we definitely benefit from the exchanges with those different partners. I would definitely recommend to any investors or any party that is interested in moving into Switzerland to come in this region for the quality of the infrastructures and this network of talents, of startups, of universities that is allowing us to find the talents we need in order to run our business. But also I would like to commend the administration that has been always extremely very helpful, whether this is the city or the state, the canton Vaud, canton Neuchâtel, or the city of La Chaux-de-Fonds or Lausanne, that have been very helpful for us to set up our companies in the area. So we always had the support that we needed. So definitely I would, would recommend anyone to come over here in this part of the country.